I thank our principal ma'am for giving this wonderful opportunity. Now, science teachers are talking about sugar children. We eat food now if it has many nutrients. Okay, carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals, fat. Sugar is a type of carbohydrates that provide energy to our body. American Heart Association recommended health intake level per day. We have to take children 15 grams to 20 grams. Okay. Next, women 25 grams. Next, men have to take 36 grams per day. If you eat more sugar items, it affects our health. Extra sugar you are eating regularly, you are getting more weight in your life. First risk is the obesity. Next risk is diabetes, heart disease. Too much sugar, your body is getting high pressure, inflammation, and finally, the cholesterol is stored in your heart. So, what you have to do? You have to eat only if you follow your snacks timetable in your daily meals, that in that snacks timetable, all items will consume only half gram of sugar. Okay, wow. If you follow that snacks timetable regularly means that you can live a very healthy life. What is your Monday timetable? Millet flavored biscuit. In millets and all, very less amount of sugar is only there. And in Tuesday, what? Fruits and nuts. In fruits and nuts also only another 1/4 gram of sugar only in the fruits and nuts. And Wednesday what? Fruits. And Thursday veggie sticks. That is carrot, cucumber, raw vegetables is also always good for your health. And Friday energy balls. You know what is energy balls? That ragi, kambu adala irukkalaya. So you have to prepare energy balls and bring it. You should follow the snacks timetable. It's very healthy because there very low consumption of sugar in the diet plan. Today we all listen about the sugar awareness program. This is a useful program to us. We know about the sugar is unhealthy to us. We eat healthy foods. Sugar can cause us disease like obesity, diabetes and heart problems. This is our awareness program. Please avoid junk foods and sugar foods. Eat healthy foods. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity, and thank you for giving the snacks timetable. In that timetable also very 1/4 and 1/2% gram of sugar is only in all the items, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.